Hey guys, Dotson guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I've got to show you a brand new 2021 Scout 215 Dorado. This was a new model last year for us, but we're going to show you a really cool design that they incorporated into the cockpit. But for right now, we're going to show you the bow. This is a very nice layout in the forward with built-in speakers. I'm 6 foot tall. You can see that leg span there. We have storage under the port and starboard on tiltable hinges, and these are insulated boxes. We've got our courtesy lights in the floor there. Armrests that pop out on both port and starboard loungers there. Cup holders just behind, as well as standard cup holders just forward. We've got our storage locker for our anchor. We have non-closing hinges, so they're tension hinges that don't slam down on you. As we move back, we've got huge dry storage underneath the helm here, and as well as our systems panel. And over here on the port side, we have our head. Sorry, we got a storage cover down there. So we do have the head option available on that. Ski locker in the floor here. So this is a true fish and ski style boat. We got to show you this beautiful helm. So all black acrylic dash. We've got the standard inlaid, or excuse me, the optional inlaid 9-inch Garmin. Digital tacks, cup holders on both sides. Glove box with USB charging ports. This boat is equipped with trim tabs and the indicator switch there. This is our standard helm with our standard steering wheel from Lumar there. We did upgrade this particular boat with a Yamaha 150 with digital throttle and shift. So nice and easy to use. You see these beautiful helm chairs with the fiberglass backs and the flip bolsters. That is for port and starboard. And these do spin 360 degrees to show you now this beautiful cockpit. So now everybody can be within the cockpit enjoying a nice conversation place. But we do have the new cockpit seating. So this is a storage box or insulated cooler box with aft seat and a removable backrest. And as well on the port side, we have a port reverse lounger. Very, very comfortable. We didn't sacrifice the access to our bait well here in the back, our standard bait well. And now you have a bench seat in the back, but as well as we pull this, now a huge entertaining space back here in the cockpit. This boat is equipped with a stainless steel bimini top, a ski pylon, and as well as we have the freshwater washdown system on this boat. Alrighty guys, thank you guys for watching. Again, my name is Dotson guys. If you have any questions on our 2021 215 Dorado in the midnight blue here, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. And again, thank you for watching.